Hey everybody, Neil Shepard, Why Was It Akins? Just wrapped up a beautiful Akins F150 XLT Oxford White. Customer bought it from us last week, brought it back for the 3.5 inch ReadyLIFT SST kit. He had some takeoff tires. We took off his trade-in as well. So we had 35, 11.5, 20 Nitto Ridge grapplers. So we wanted to just, they're still in great shape. He wanted to put these over on a factory wheel. So here's a good look at that SST UCA up front. This is a very popular kit, that mid-level lift. So on a factory wheel with a 35, 11.5, your tire is not too wide for that wheel, and you still have definitely a more aggressive stance. On a mild to wild, we're still very mild, but just overall, this stance is much improved. Love the ride height also. Really transformed this truck from still a great truck to one that really just looks a whole lot more off-roadish and aggressive. 3.5 inch SST from ReadyLIFT. Getting lots of popularity with us here in Winder. Do a block swap in the rear. Get your added height out back. So if you're looking at leveling your next truck, you might want to take a look at this SST kit. Just gives it a better overall stance. Now this is a leather liner tent package as well. So he bought it already with the Akins spray and bed liner. Lumar window tint and gray cat skin leather. So he's got a great package truck overall. Here's a good side shot of that stance. Gotta love it. Thanks for watching, guys.